Simple door alarm circuit. The components are steel cup, 3 to 6 volt DC motor, 9 volt battery, some bolts, a battery connector, a switch, a clip and a stick, and connecting wires. The working principle is that when the door is closed, this stick is between the contacts, and where the door becomes open, the contact comes out and the circuit is completed. That is, the supply is given to the motor, and due to which the shaft of the motor starts rotating and it hits the steel cup and we hear a sound. So let's see the working. We have removed the stick and the contact is made. So this is it how works.